Hello, everybody. We are getting ready to plate up our Italian chicken dinner, in which we have our delicious seasoned lima beans and our buttered corn. We're going to go ahead and get started, but in the meantime, can you please subscribe to my channel, like and share, put on your notification button. I do have another platform, and that is Duke Star, and you can also look me up as Duke Star 7 Up Cream Cheese Pound Cake. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, we added our delicious fried cornbread. Now we're going to go ahead and add our um, Italian chicken. Okay, everybody, this is our Italian chicken dinner and our delicious hot cornbread and our lima beans and our buttered corn. I hope y'all try it. Good to the heart, mind, and the soul. God is love. And I will see you on the next video. Hopefully, have a friend to join, have a family member, have your kids, co workers. Y'all have a good day.